Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling your phone hotspot because the TV needs a local Wi-Fi network. Set a clear SSID and a strong password. On the LG TV, go straight into Settings, choose Network, then Wi-Fi so the TV will scan. Once done, keep your phone near the TV to avoid signal drops and make sure mobile data is on. This matters because the hotspot provides the internet link and the TV only joins the network you created. On the TV, you pick your phone's SSID from the scan networks and then enter the hotspot password using the remote's on-screen keyboard. Take your time to avoid mistyped characters. After you press connect, the TV requests an IP address from the phone. This is why you might see a short pause. Make sure the phone's hotspot allows multiple connections if needed, and once the TV shows connected or displays an IP, you'll know the authentication and DHCP steps succeeded. To finish, you verify the link by opening a streaming app or checking network status on the TV so you confirm both local and internet connectivity. If things fail, try toggling the phone hotspot off and on, restart the TV, or use Forget Network on the TV and rejoin. These steps clear temporary errors. Also make sure you haven't hit carrier data caps or exceeded the phone's concurrent connection limit. Addressing those common causes will usually resolve remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.